palitan mo nga pangalan.
Gumugitlag yan.
Lagyan yung pangalan ko.
Sa inyo marami shot.
Next season.
Ako na yan. Isa daw.
Dapat meron ganyan na. Sakalin kita pag ikaw wala kang ganyan na.
May season kasi.
Pagkain nyo, pag wala sa Interpolo.
Pag yung laban namin.
Mythical
Pag
5
yung
ha.
laban namin, ako lang mapatalayan.
Oy, pag Mythical 5 ka sa Interpolo, ay 1,000 ka. 1,000 ka. Kung bola ko dun. Bago ka lang gago siya, matagal na. Pag siya hindi pa Mythical 5. Hindi, siya lang. Siya lang. Hindi pwede, bago ka lang.
Bibigyan kita 10.
Yan.
O, yung video.
Lahat po ng hindi player sa mga bench, pakialis na po. Pasuyo na lang po.
Gal!
Ay, tol. Pasuyo na lang.
Ralph, singilin mo nga yung kanina Liga Type kanina. Sabi mo kailangan natin. Magkano? 2.5. Luis, dito na lang kayo sa kabila.
Baser ko lang.
Wing, first five. Pasok na tayo. First five. Working.
Wait lang daw. Ano yung boss? Boss, gagamitin yan.
Maganda agad ang bakbakan ngayon. Madam and Buboy versus Tiger Commando. First game ko ah. Shoutout sa magpipitik sa atin. May galaw.
1K. May 1K. Diyan ka lang ulo. Coach, pwede mo pa abot na set? Sa kanina, yung closing ko kasi.
Wala. Uy, wala.
Nakasundan mo nga yung player.
Kanina pa iba-iba. Kanina ayaw niya nito. Mamaya na naman gusto niya.
Ay, may gusto. May sarili.
Ano sarili niya? Number 14.
Oh, hindi nakaupo. Ang pangit yan. Dito ka. Nakaupo. Makikita niyo yun.
Yeah.
Hindi na ano. Normal ka talaga. Oo. Taki mo sa gusto ko. Sinabi ko sa'yo. Ang dami. Wala na.
Mga TJC number 11. Shot is good.
Dito ka kasi. Pwede na nga dito. Dito ka na kasi.
Position number 14 is here. Nico number 11. Maubibigay kay jersey number 17. Shot is good.
Maghanap ka na ng pwesto mo kasi.
The Laxer. Pass to jersey number 35. Shot is good.
Press yan?
Hindi kaya na mga putos na ito, mga pare. Hindi na natin jersey number 13. Pass to Sana.
Boss, sumigip.
15 number 35, you are Chris. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey 27, shot is number 1, jersey number 0. The Blackhead, still number 9, jersey number 11, ibibigay kay jersey number 30, pass to the good.
Nakawal sila dito. Nakawal na.
Traveling violation.
Coach, paano luwagan to?
Question number 11. Pass to jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 bigay kay jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 16.
Wala pa ata jersey, iba dyan.
Jersey number 16, drop pass to kay jersey number 9. Out of bounds, and mapupunta ang possession para sa Madam and Buboy. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 11. 42 points. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 14. 43. No good. Rebound para kay jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Shot is good. Para kay jersey number 0. Jersey number 11. Foul. Jersey number 35. Your second personal foul. Second team foul.
Sabi ko sa'yo, malayo. Ay, dalawa.
Kanta kasi already. Grabe, di ba? Tao-tao.
Siguro ba nagpakalbo siya?
Sinto!
Kami lang sito talaga. Kanina sabi niya, ayaw na gamitin yun. Ngayon na gamitin niya na.
Hayaan mo nga siya mag-isip.
Tagino yan ka.
Jersey number 0.
Parang Paulo.
Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Shot is good. Para kay jersey number 9. Going down para kay jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 11. For the number rebound para kay jersey number 16.
Wala pa na kuha yan.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 16. Shot is good. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 9. What a shot. Easy number. Now jersey number 11. Jersey number 16. Foul. 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 Jersey number 16. You are first person foul. 13 foul.
Ako na. Ano yan, nahirap siya eh. Mga nga, dito ka sa likod ko para matuturuan kita. Maturuan kita.
Parang narawan ako doon ng mga libre ko si Bus kayo.
Eh dapat gumilid siya naman dito.
Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 7.
Laki ng problema mo.
Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Shot is not good. Rebound naman para kay jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Binigay kay jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. For Buboy. Nakukuha na jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. What a pass para kay jersey number 11 kasi out of bounds. Jersey number 0.
May na lang ulit.
Pass to jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 35. What a shot! Game 5.
Kulang pa kami siya.
Okay lang. Isa lang.
Apat lang muna. Hindi na lang.
Apat na titilis. Pero bawal isab yun ha. Ano na yung ano?
Pasok! Ready!
Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 15, pass to jersey number 9. Shot is not good. Mawala jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 6. Shot is not good. Ikaw naman makakay jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 0. Shot is good. Jersey number 0 nakakuha ni jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Shot shot is no good. Bola para naman sa base number 3. Mawali jersey number 13. 12 second shot na kasi jersey number 7. Foul. Who's correct?
Lagay ko dito sa ato. Warning for penalty yan.
Wala kayo katawan.
First personal foul warning for penalty.
Legal ka talaga.
Sisintos pa lang.
Para may pwede tayo agad.
Pagkain ka agad, Rep.
Shot is good. Jersey number 3. Happy Pearl. Master jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Shot is good. Jersey number 13. Shot is no good. Nakagawa ni jersey number
80 po.
Nintella. Pass to jersey number 9. No good. Nakagawa ni jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Screen. Shot is no good. Nakagawa ni jersey number 0. Lucian pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 shot is no good. No one jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Good shot is who's correct? Jersey number 6. Your first personal foul. Penalty.
Boss, dapat di mo na natin nilagay.
Dapat portrait. Portrait.
Mamaya pagkatapos na ito.
Portrait. Maganda rin. Subumoto. Subumoto. Yes.
Score natin 12 all. Mawala jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 6. That is good.
Ano, coach? Ano?
Jersey number 0. 08 Gulpan. No good. Makagawa ni jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 6. Pass to sa kalaban din ni Kay jersey number. Foul para sa basket.
Tiger Commando.
Komando.
Wala na time out ang Tiger Commando.
Wala ko. Nakapipre ako eh. Hindi ko tinatanong. Hindi ko taga-tanong. Sino?
Lagay mo blue. Malaki parehas ang jacket yan. Parehas. Ayun, may nakatest lang. Presang ka ba talaga doon? Ball shot!
Harangan ka ng video, ha?
Yung video. Foul. With foul left. Jersey number 05. Your second personal foul penalty.
Diyan lang, si player spotted.
Huwag pababa, sir.
Naiinom ako sa'yo. Hindi galit mo, pre. Hindi naman siya pa.
Rebound naman para kay Justin number.
Tayo ka dyan! Tayo ka dyan! Yan! Tsaka mo
Jersey
po!
number 9. Pass to. Bakit sa kanya pa rin ang bola? Shot is good naman para kay jersey number 2. Jersey number 9, pass to, jersey number 27, oh my God, sama bang foul, who is correct? Esla? Jersey number 6, your second personal foul, bonus shot.
Di basket.
No, nakukuha ni jersey number 9, foul. Jersey number 05, your third personal foul, penalty.
Di pa ako natutulog ulit eh. Ha? Hindi ako natutulog. Kaya yung bar kahapon. Parang hindi player.
Rebound para kay jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 13. Wrong second shot na. Jersey number 27. Foul. Who's correct? Jersey number 05. You are waiting for the other penalty. Rebound. Jersey number 9. Out of bounds. Jersey number 9 going down pass to jersey number 13. Binigay kay 07. Pass to 18. Still naman para kay Idol. Idol na sila ng jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Pass. Very good. Still naman. Shot is good. Still naman. Yung jersey number 9 binigay. Still para kay jersey number 5. Foul. Who's foul left? Jersey number 27. You are first personal foul. First team foul. Idol, shot is good. Jersey 7, guys, binigay kay 08. Good. And the first quarter score natin 23-18 in favor of Madam and Buboy.
Para mamaya sunod ako dito kaya no?
Back to the ball game.
Sigaw na, kumain ka.
Yung timer ako. Guys, Hindi, mamaya.
Basta pag-protesta.
Jersey number, pass to Idol. Idol. Shot is good by Idol. Score natin 20-23.
Presyo na, Josh.
Jersey number, pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, binigay kay jersey number 30. Shot is good. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 25 for the win. Jersey number 21. Pass to stay alive. Basket is good. For the win number. Jersey number 21. Shot is good. Jersey number 16. For the win number. Mahawali jersey number 10. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 10. Shot is good.
Mga coach. Tinignan lang ako siglit.
Jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 0. Number 0. Wala makuha ni Idol. Wala pa rin. Pero makukuha ng jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 for the win. Solid. Jersey number 10. For the win number. Makuha ng jersey number 30 kay jersey number 21. Win. Jersey number. Idol. Number. Jersey number 13 for the win. Jersey number 16. Sobrang shot na. Idol. Wow. Foul jersey number 21. You are first personal foul. First team foul. Shot naman para ka, Idol. Jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 1, binigay 14. Foul. Foul, jersey number 16. You are second personal foul. First team foul. Two shot para kay jersey number 14.
Coach.
Isa.
Sige, coach.
Jersey number 0. Foul. Foul, jersey number 16. Your first personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 10. Shot is good. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey 14. No good. 16. Shot is no good. Mahuli yung 25. Pass to jersey number 14. One step. Pass to jersey number 0. No good. Pero makuha ng jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 1. Shot is no good. Pero sa kanilang bola. Makukuha ng jersey number 14. Pero makukuha ng jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 16. Shot is good. Change.
Pero parehas yung dito lang sa akin.
Jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 11. For Louis. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 9. Shot is good. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 08 for Ronaldo. Ibang para jersey number 0. Siya mga jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Sa step mo. Pass to jersey number 7. Nagod makuha ni jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number. It is good. Still. Jersey number 7. It is good. Zero 8 pass to jersey number 7. It is good. Pass to jersey number 0. No good. Ibang para jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 for Louis. No good. Makukuha ni jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Nagawa ng dalawa. Still number 5, jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 pass to jersey number. And it is good. Tigers Comando. Back to the ball game.
Third, fourth, ano pangalan ng number? Fourth lock? Third, fourth. Third, fourth. 7 ka, please. Hindi ko ba 7? Ayun na. Kaplis, kaplis. Kaplis? Kaplis yan, si kaplis yan.
Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 13. Pass to this good. no good. The rebound, that all goes to number 6. Pass to goes to number 0. Foul. Foul goes to number 11. You are first personal foul. Third team foul. Goes to number 0. Pass to goes to number 6. Goes to number 6. Full the Marai goes to number 56. Binigay goes to number 11. Basket is good. Steal. Pass to goes to number 11. Goes to number 11. Pass to goes to number 13. Basket is good. Goes to number 9. Pass to goes to number 6. Goes to number 6. Dinadalawa na. 10-second shot clock. Goes to number 11. That's 1 minute exactly. Goes to number 15. 14, pass to 16. Shot is no good. Goes to number 9. For 3. No good. This is number 7, pass to Jesse number 13. Jesse number 13. Shot. Foul, Jesse number 3. You are first personal foul, second team foul.
Hey, no. Nakatayo.
Areta! Areta, pati ito sila.
That is number. Makukuha ni Jesse number 2. Pero maistira ni Jesse number 13. Jesse number 13 nakakuha na. Double. That's 16 seconds remaining. Pass to Jesse number 9. Jesse number 9. Steal by Jesse number 11. Jesse number pass to Jesse number 13. Pass to Jesse number 11. Good.
62-29.
End of the first half. Score natin
May natawagan lang ako sa
62-29.
Hindi, tanungin na natin kung accurate yung yung jersey nila. Para palitan na lang kasi mali yung nakalagay. Dito lang. Sila may jersey kasi.
Ito lang tayo.
Hindi, ito.
Accurate to.
Yung accurate yung jersey nila dito sa ano. Captain Ball lang.
Captain Ball po lang Matang and Buboy. Punta po kayo sa table.
Parang makakain na din sila rin. Sa ulo.
Kontra na naman si Ponce, boss, oh. Sabi ko, pinost talaga sa referee, no?
Boss ka na sa community, referee community. Ay, joke na lang pala, Peggy.
Oy, mahulog yung cellphone ko. Mahulog.
Ano mo ah? The worst
Game time! Open sub!
Yung saboy.
Ako may mamadalig ba kayo?
Grabe, nag-day na kayo siya eh.
Entering of the second half. Open sub na po tayo and one timeout both team. Is number 21. For doing number. Mawa ni jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 11. Is here. Pass a basket. First personal foul, first team foul.
Saan mo hinahanap?
Ano yun?
Meron sulok yun, paano ko
First team number 21, pushing foul. Your second personal foul. First team foul.
Huwag nyo gagamitin yung isang kanin ko, hindi nyo ano ha. Maubos yun
Jersey number 16. Shot is na good. Makuha na lang ng jersey number 0. Basket is good para kay Idol. Jersey number 27. Ulang jump foul. Sa basket is correct. Jersey number 11. You are second personal foul. First team. Second team foul. Jersey number 11. Steal. Pass to jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 30. Basket is good.
Bakit yun? Ano yung pass? Bossing shot lang ako.
Shot lock daw, shot lock.
14 lang.
Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 30. For the win na good. Rebound naman para kay jersey number 14. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 9. For the win na good. Nakuha ni jersey number 10 pinasa kay jersey number 26 na good. Nakuha ni jersey number 9. Pass to nakuha ni jersey number 11. Roas. Basket is good. Jersey number 13.
What? Shot!
Wow, second shot up. Jersey number 26. Shot is no good. Pero makuha ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. 11. Foul. Foul jersey number 34.
Ano score?
68
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Salsa? Tingnan nyo na lang.
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 for 3.
Press yan.
Jersey number 11. Not good. Ibang parang jersey number 16. It is good.
Sa oras ay sa takalan.
Bakit?
Jersey number 11.
Gel. Gel.
Ibang para kay Idol. Idol. Kay Idol pa rin para makuha ni jersey number 11. Na good. Jersey number 11. Na good. This is number 16. You are third personal foul. 13 foul.
Tayo, pensab na yan, ah.
Offense up po tayo, ha. Jersey number 6 for 2 number. Makukuha ni Idol. Idol pass to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 binigay kay Ross. Ross for 2 number. Out of bounds. Score natin 71-38 in favor of Madam and
Stop.
Jugo. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 11. Pinalik kay jersey number 8 for the number. Makukuha ni Idol. Idol. Mula sa kay Idol pa rin. Basket is good para kay Idol. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Shot is na good. Makukuha ni jersey number 14. Jersey number 14.
Ano score?
Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. No good. Makukuha ni jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 10. For the win. No good. Score natin 71-40. Ross. Ross, pass to jersey number 9, pass to Ross. Ross for the win. No, nakuha ni jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, pass to jersey number 9. Shot is not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Shot is good para kay jersey number 16. Ross, basket is good.
Hindi pa kayo tapos. Ang tagal nyo.
15 second shot.
Tapos na yung fourth quarter, oh. Ito yung
And second shot. Jersey number 9 for the win na good. Makuha ni jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 ang umikot. Nakakatawag ang traveling violation. Substitution.
Mamaya ka na umuwi. Mamaya ka na umuwi.
Jersey number 11. May pass to jersey number 0 for the win na good. Nasa kanya pa rin. Sa step move pass to Idol. Idol. Makukuha ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Basket is good.
Baka naubos yung pagkain dyan, ah.
Jersey number 11. Ross Nalo.
Sobrang tagal nila kumain, inubos na nila.
Shot is na good. Makukuha ni jersey number Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Shot. No good. Rebound para kay jersey number 35. Jersey number 0. Idol. No good. Mawon ni jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 9. For Dewey. No good. Rebound para kay jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Shot is good.
Magkano yan? Alas
Jersey number 11. Last 2 minutes.
Bili ko na.
Steal. Jersey number 0. Basket is good.
Alas score.
44-77. Jersey number 0. 8. Shot is not good. Rebound by Ross. Rojas pass to jersey number 35. Jersey number pass to Rojas. Rojas for 2. No good. Rebound para kay jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Shot is no good. Rebound para kay jersey number 16. Basket is good. Rebound. Shot is no good. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Shot is good.
Balik ka na sa video. Wala na video sa third quarter.
Jersey number 11. Time out. Tiger Commando.
Dito ka, oy. Dito ka naman. Pagod? Pagod kumain.
Kumain, boss.
Ito lang ngayon. Nilantakan nila yung
Back to the ball game. Last 48 seconds remaining.
11. I show you.
Report na kita sa ano. Reverending community. Jersey number 14. Pass to Tesla. Basket is good. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 9. And second shot up. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16 still para kay Tesla. Pass to jersey number 11. Rojas.
Last 4 seconds.
Last 4 seconds. End of the third quarter.
Anong height nung isa?
6 lang. Back to the ball game.
Interview mamaya.
Same ball. Rojas. Foul. Jersey number 26. You are. First personal foul. First team foul. Rojas. 3 points. substitution. Ross, 2 points. Foul. Foul, this is number 14. You are first personal foul, first team foul. This is number 9. World second shot. Same ball. 8 second shot clock.
Nadidelay ko yung iba dyan, ha?
This is number 0.
Kami na. Kulit. Dito ka na.
Same ball.
Coach D. Namumulot ako, mayroon
Round
pang pagkain yung
will be rebound.
Yun na ako kita. Hindi kita. Para nag-ano.
Rebound.
Kainan na. Nag-meeting sila eh. 15 shots! Sila. Doon.
Foul, this is number 9. You are first personal foul, 13 foul. Still. Still. Move on. Move on. Umatar daw po sa labas. May magpapark daw po na jeep. Pasuyo na lang po mga motor po sa labas. Sa bandang kaliwa. Sa bandang kaliwa. Dito. Pasuyo na lang po. May magpapark po na jeep. Pasuyo na lang po mga motor sa kaliwa. Paayos na lang po, thank you. Makapatal daw po sa labas.
Yan balagpag. Yan yung balagpag sa kapila.
Mga alimaw.
Kilala ba yun? Itong ano nito, Dennis Student.
Ross. Uy, boy. Steal. Same ball. It is in number 11. Ross. Ross. 2 points. Is the number 13. Is number 9. 2 points. Jersey number 14, back to jersey number 11. Pinapatay na po ang oras. 10 second shot lang. 5 second shot lang. Foul, plus sa basket. Jersey number. You are first prisoner from second team. Time out. Tiger Commando.
Ilan naman pre? Ha? 87, 68. 19. Maximus oh.
Yeah, tinatawag.
Coach pa yung wala.
Manager daw yan?
Rock. For the win na good. Is 17. Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 14. 2 points.
Ako talaga portrait. Coach
9. 2 points.
Di ba maganda pag naka-portrait yung video? Wala na siya sa highlight. Naka-portrait.
14 second shot clock. Jersey 76. Pass to jersey number 9. Foul. Foul jersey number 14. You are second personal foul warning for penalty.
Uy, wala na ako po sa bench.
Hey, player po ng ano, madam. Jersey number 9. Whining, Madam and Buboy. Jersey number 11. Last 12 second shot lang. 8 second shot lang. Jersey number 14. Foul.
Siguro pangalan niya nun. Tiger Commando.
Pre, ha?
Jersey number 26.
Siguro Tiger Commando kasi nandiyan si
You are second personal foul.
Bruce Lee.
Warning for penalty.
Si Bruce Lee.
Rep, Bruce Lee daw. Sige yan. Jackie Chan daw. Yun si Bruce. Si Bruce Lee ang pre.
14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Mag-ready na po ang second game.